everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and today's Monday meal is an Instapot meal. See the Instapot behind me? Yeah, that one. So it is a Instapot Italian sausage pasta, and it's so easy, and it's from copycat.com. The cat is spelled with a K, not a C like the cats I don't like. So anyway, my mom's going to put a link in the description box below to their recipe online. Of course, she made hers allergy friendly. It's gluten free, and it is delicious. And she used some chicken apple sausage that she got from Mountain Man Meat Market in Hochatown, Oklahoma, in this one, and that is good stuff. Plus, it was pasta, so I like it when she drops dry pasta for me. Anyway, hope you guys will give this one a try. It was so easy, and it turned out perfect, and everybody loved it. It was very delicious. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, everyone, as Yoda said, it's time for the Monday meal, and we're making an Instapot sausage pasta. So I'm going to put a link to the recipe site where I got this from in the description box below. We're making an allergy-friendly version, of course. And we used a pound of sausage links that were chicken and apple smoked sausage from Mountain Man Meat Market in Hochatown, Oklahoma. So that is the sausage we're using. The sauce we're using, you need 48 ounces of pasta sauce, where you can, this Prego traditional family size from Sam's. And then you rinse it out with water and put that in here. So that's the liquid that's in here. Then you pour the pasta in, about a pound of pasta. So I've got this box of Barilla gluten-free elbow pasta, and then this box of La Vinzione gluten-free corn pasta. It's Italian. So I put those in there as my pound of pasta, and then I stirred it all together. It's time to set the Instapot. So this one you're going to pressure cook. So you want it on sealing, since it's pressure cooking, and then you want to turn it on manual. You want to set it for 8 minutes. And then when it goes off, you want to do a quick release. So that is what we are doing. I'll show you when it's done. All right, it hit 0, so we're doing a quick release. Then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, everyone, it was 8 minutes and then a quick release, and it's done. I don't know if you can tell, but those noodles are cooked, and those are gluten-free. It is completely done. There's no extra liquid, and it tastes delicious. So hopefully you guys will give this one a try. Happy Monday.